just another call from home. You'll get it and be gone, and I'll be crying. I'll be begging you, baby, beg you not to leave. I'll be left here waiting with my heart on my sleeve. Oh, for the next time we'll be here. Seems like a million years, and I think I'm dying. What do I have to do to make you see she can't love you like me? Why don't you stay down on my knees? I'm so tired of being lonely. Don't I give you what you need when she calls you to go? There's one thing you should know: we don't have to live this way. Baby, why don't you stay? You keep telling me, baby, there will come a time you'll leave her arms and forever be in mine. But I don't think that's the truth, and I don't like being used, and I'm tired of waiting. It's too much pain.